AI portrait retouching has gone from a novelty to a normal part of the workflow, and used well, it saves hours. Used carelessly, it turns real skin into plastic. Here's what it does well. It reads faces and skin, then handles the tedious, repetitive edits, clearing blemishes and stray hairs, evening skin tone, brightening eyes and teeth. These have a clear right answer, so automating them frees your attention for the choices that need a human eye. And here's where it overreaches. Most automated smoothing just averages nearby pixels, which erases the pores and fine texture that read as real skin. Push it too far and you get that plastic look, flawless and obviously fake. The subtler trap is identity drift, when a tool reshapes a feature until the subject no longer looks like themselves. Here's what most guides miss about AI portrait retouching. The rule that keeps a face honest is simple. Use AI to change color and tone, not texture. Let it clear the blemish but protect the pore layer, and leave the structure alone. Then judge your skin at 100%. The photographers whose work looks best are the ones who use less of it. Everything we cover in these videos lives at aiprophotography.com. Come and take a look.